Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So today is Thursday, November the 18th, and today was a day that AMD decided to do a nice big reversal on me. So let's get this out of the way, as always, so that you can see that there. So here's my account, full margin account. So I'm looking at my screens, so just forgive me if I'm not looking at you when I'm talking. So partially delayed data, why does this say that? It's real account, so let me come over here. So stock is in real time, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, Amex, all real time feeds. Equity options is real time. Futures and futures options, I don't trade futures or futures options, so I don't need the feeds for them. Forex and others, all real time, so accounts real live. So we took a trade today at AMD, and it backfired on me, and we took a nice big loss today, big red L day. So let's come over here so that you can see it. AMD. So what's the first thing we do? Well, let's come back over here so that you see that. First thing we do is we draw our box. And where's my box? I did draw the box. So let me come over here and draw the box for you. So let me come back over here. 2-day, 1 minute chart. Let's do this really quickly. Today's the 19th, so why is it going back to the 17th? 17th, 18th. Yep. So let's come back over here real quick. Okay, so let's go back over to the last hour. And let me get my pencil here. All right, so the last hour, the last high was basically right here. So let me get my trusty tool out again. Sorry about that. So last hour. So the last high, I gotta do this real quick. I'm not gonna do it, take too much time. That's the low. Where did we close at? It was 151.34. So roughly around there. So let me draw out my box. Boom. Okay, so got the box drawn out. Let's go over to today. So now you got to see where AMD opened up, right? So let's do this. So here's our box. And of course I drew the Fibonacci here as well, but this is what's most important. So this is where we opened up. We dropped. We're on a 2-minute candle, and then AMD ripped. So what I was looking for was this right here, the 25% or minus 61% to be taken my profit when I entered into my trade. That was the 0 line for the Fibonacci, and it hit, touched it twice. I took my trade right around here, and the unexpected happened. Instead of AMD ripping, because it opened up outside of the box and above the box, it just completely took a dump. As you can see right there, completely took a dump and wiped me out. So That was a trade where you can look at everything. Everything looks good. On a little bit of a momentum swing, and you can put yourself in the proper position to do the proper trade. And what happens? Well, the unspeakable happens. So when I took my trade, it was right around here. So the 20 was moving. It was hugging the 20, moving right up there. It was above the 200. And you see right here, this is where I took my trade. And I sent it out to my group. So we got a little bit of a nice kick, and it hit the high, then it just progressively just took a dump. And why did I stay in longer than I should have stayed in? Well, I stayed in longer than I should have stayed in because I kind of got faked out by, what candle was it here? It was this candle right here that kind of faked me out. I thought it was going to come right back up, touch, and then start to move up. But obviously it didn't. A lot of selling pressure today, extreme amount of selling pressure. Even though on the call side, so let me go show you what's going on here. Let's go over to the trade on the 26th. Let's actually do this right here. So, look at the action. 437 contracts sold right now, presently. So what do we got? We almost got a 3-to-1 call to put ratio, right? 103,000 103,000 put contracts, 333,000 call contracts, right? We look at the call sizzle index is 4 times the volume over the last 5 days, 4 times the volume. The put sizzle index is 3 times the average volume over the last 5 days. But the sizzle index for the stock itself is 4.4, which means the stock is ripping. AMD is going on a big move, or it went on a big move, right? So now we're trading VWAP as 156.55, which I kind of pay attention to VWAP, but I don't really pay attention to it too much. Because it's more of an institutional type of a metric to look at. So what happened there was we got wiped out. 3 times the volume of call volume, which pushed the stock up. So let me remove the drawings for you. Clear the drawing set. Get rid of that there, so you see it nice and clean. So 3 times the volume of calls, which is this push right here, and then you had the overwhelming selling pressure pushing it back to the downside. And as you see right now, we're just above the 20, we're under the 200, so this is a short position. Okay, so lost a couple of grand today, probably around $2,000 we lost today in a span of, I think it was like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So there you go. Today's lesson is you can do everything right, map everything right, put yourself in a position to do everything right, and you're looking at the volume, you're looking at the volatility, everything is on your side, but for some strange reason, the stock did a complete reversal and takes a dump on you. That's why you lose, right? So you win some, you lose some. It's a red day today, so we're not trading anymore today. When we have a big red day like this, that's it. We stop, we shut everything down. I'm recording this video now, and I'm going to walk away and go enjoy the sunshine. So that's it from me. But, in the last 2 months, this is the 3rd red day in 2 months of trading. So somewhere in this video, you're going to see a link to the site. Love to have you come back and be a member of the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. As you know, Every trader has a red day. I don't know any legitimate trader that doesn't have a red day. And if they don't show you their red days, run for the nearest exit, because everybody has them. Whether you got a $2,000 account, a $20,000 account, a $200,000 account, a $2 million account, a $20 million account, doesn't matter. You're going to have red days. It happens. It's how you look at the red day, and it's how you learn from your red days. That's going to be the deciding factor between whether or not you trade long term or short term. So if you like this video, smash that like button. Smash that like button. Share this video. Third red day in almost 2 months of trading. So yeah, it happens. What are we going to do about it, right? And that's doing everything right and following what's going on with the trade. Everything's right? A lot of volume today. So let's go. Yeah, a lot of volume today, but the volume was more sellers. As you can see right here, a lot of sellers coming into play here, right? A lot of sell side activity right here. A lot of sell side activity here. A lot of sell side activity here. A lot of sell side. A lot of people taking their profits out of AMD today, just whacking them, giving them a big whack. From 158 down to 153 and 154. That's a big jump. All right. So that being said, my name's Double P. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.